What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProNail Complex before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProNail Complex works. What is ProNail Complex? ProNail Complex is a natural formula that comes with potent oil and repair vitamins. This is a doctor-created mist spray that helps reduce toenail fungal infection and other discomfort. This is an easy-to-use complex that contains a blend of natural ingredients. This complex is made to repair skin and nails. It helps kill fungal growth that affects the nails and surrounding area. The manufacturer has selected each ingredient after detailed research and clinical trials. As per the ProNail Complex official website, this is made in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified lab facility in the USA. The proprietary blend does not contain any ingredients that may cause harm to health, such as gluten, stimulants, harsh chemicals, toxins, or others. Does ProNail Complex remove toenail fungus? ProNail Complex Nail Care Serum comes with potent ingredients that have antifungal and skin-repairing properties. The combination of oils and skin-repairing vitamins helps to stop the growth of fungi and kill them. The small particles of the ingredients get into the nails and repair the damage caused by the fungus. The manufacturer has used clinically researched ingredients that help to support strong nails. The microparticles in the ProNail Complex liquid reach deep under your skin and nails. Toenail infections are difficult to deal with. It is so stubborn that it appears on the nails for longer. The fungal infection makes the nails weak, discoloration, and damage. This fungal growth may spread onto the skin and cause pain and irritation. The oil and vitamins in the ProNail Complex drops penetrate deep into the nails and target the fungus. It contains medicinal properties that revitalize nails and protect them from breakage and discoloration. The formula helps to bring back the original shine and health of the nails by preventing the occurrence of several fungal infections. Complex ingredients and their major roles. Mineral oil. Mineral oil will keep your nails healthy and minimize brittleness. It comes with health properties that penetrate the skin and repair the damage. Sweet almond oil. The next essential oil in the ProNail Complex formula is sweet almond oil, which is good for nails and skin. This ingredient promotes nail growth and prevents cracks and dryness. It helps to eliminate stains on the nails. Organic flaxseed oil. Organic flaxseed oil provides skin and nail support. It comes with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It maintains the moisture on the skin and nails. Tea tree oil. This ProNail Complex ingredient helps to protect the nails from stopping fungal growth. It naturally cures the infections and irritations that appear on nails and the surrounding area. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has several benefits, including allowing deep hydration of the nails and skin. It promotes the regeneration of damaged skin and protects it from breakage. It repairs, nourishes, and protects nails. Canola oil. Canola oil keeps the nails moisturized and nourished. When it comes to nail growth, it plays an important role. It maintains the health of nails and cuticles by providing essential nutrients and minerals. The other ingredients of the ProNail Complex spray are vitamin E, walnut oil, camphor oil, clove bud oil, jojoba oil, chia oil, lemongrass oil, lavender oil, menthol, and undicyclinic acid.